Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set ultra dark control center after 1.8.5 update on your Galaxy device. So let's begin. Okay, before start, let me show you default control center and notification panel. Now go to Good Lock, go to Theme Park, after go to Theme Park, simply tap on Quick Panel, simply tap on Create New, and after tap on Create New, look at these 7 circle, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7 circle. Look at these, this is complete 7 circle, and let me show you dark mode setting. Tap on first circle and set this circle like this. Now tap on second circle, set this circle completely black. Now third circle, set again grey circle. Now fourth circle, again set black. Now fifth circle, set black. And sixth circle, set 90% black. And last circle again set completely black. Now guys, if you want to set this grey color little bit black or white, then you also set little bit black and white. Now look at this, my control center completely set in ultra dark. Now set up notification panel, then look at these 3 circle, simply tap on first circle, select first circle completely black. Now second, set grey circle like this, and again same grey circle. Now simply save this control center and apply. And guys, look at these, ultra dark control center enable on your Galaxy device. This is notification panel and this is control center. So guys, you also set this ultra dark mode on control center on your Galaxy device after 1.8.5 update. I hope you enjoy this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.